Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you're joining us today in in our live lecture, coming to you from Nkolo Mahadum Wisdom University, presented by Obiora Mba. Today's date is Oye Market Day in the 4th month of the Igbo lunar calendar called Onwa Ano. Anyị nọ n'ọnwa nke nọ na Igbo lunar calendar and tata ụbọchị Oye. And ọnwa ịnọ anyị nọ na ya ọ na-run from April 23 to May 20. And in the Roman Catholic calendar, today's date is May 2nd, 2025. I remember at Nkolo Mahadum, we always advise you to use your naturally given common sense, which we call akonuche in Igbo language, to evaluate, to decipher, to sift all the information you are getting, everything you are seeing with your eyes before you make a decision. And we have maintained that since other nations like the United States, Russia, China, India, Australia, United Kingdom, France, Belgium, Spain, the Arab countries like Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Turkey, since they present their issues to protect their people, we at Nkolo Mahadum Wisdom University will also present our lectures and information to benefit the Igbo man and Africans. And therefore, we are urging you to please join and subscribe in our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. And like, comment, and share our lectures to everybody, including all your family members, your friends, your well-wishers, because at Nkolo Mahadum Wisdom University, we're trying to decolonize your mind, save you from mental slavery, and re-educate you, and most importantly, to present our lectures from the Igbo man and the African perspectives. That's how you should be saying things. Don't say things from somebody's eye, somebody's else position. And the title of today's lecture is that 22 Igbo men was not hanged in Indonesia for drug trafficking. The title of today's lecture is to let you know that 22 Igbo men was not hanged in Indonesia for drug trafficking, as being shown in social media, because Facebook fact-checked this claim and discovered that it was out of falsehood. It was a lie. It was a fabrication to damage the image of the Igbo race. And you know that Nkolo Mahadum Wisdom University is here to project the Igbo race, to defend the Igbo race. And that is why when we saw this thing on the social media, we were very worried. But now we are happy that Facebook fact-checked and found out that it was all fabricated. It was all lies, and hence this lecture. Who posted this video? Bello Babatunde is the one that posted this false video on Facebook. You can see that video on Facebook where there's a body in a black bag that was shaking and shaking and shaking. And he said that it was 22 Igbo men that was hanged in Indonesia. And we want to thank Facebook for fact-checking that video and discovering that Bello Babatunde, whoever you are, whether you're from Nigeria or any part of Africa, Shame on you. We at Nkolomadum is saying shame on you for bringing out a fabricated video and caption it that 22 Igbo men was hanged in Indonesia for drug trafficking. Shame on you, Bello Babatunde. Actually, Facebook fact checker subjected keyframes from the video to a Google image reverse search, which led to a YouTube channel of Mechanismus, a company called Mechanismus. Mechanismus is a Spanish company that designs equipment and prompts for entertainment and cinematic purposes. That is, the company that actually used that advertisement is a Spanish company called Mechanismus. They do design equipment and prompts used for entertainment and for films, for cinema. That's what the company does. And the statement from the company's website reads that the company purpose is to provide set of bodies in the bag, a horrifying, realistic addition to any haunted house or horror attraction. These life-sized bagged corpses create a chilling atmosphere, perfect for scare mazes, ghost trains, and immersions, horror experience. These are the things they use to make movies. That's what the company does. The company produces scared images that is used to make movies. And that is what this Bello Babatunde brought and captioned it that it was 22 Igbo men that was hanged in Indonesia. And this was very, very, very hurting to us at Nkolomadum. That is why we tried to bring it up. What Bello Babatunde did is a testament to the deep hatred of the Igbo race in Nigeria. In Nigeria, where they don't give us even our rights, our region, the eastern region, and most importantly, the southeastern region of Nigeria is the most militarized zone in the world, with the attendant extortion, extorting millions and millions of naira from our people. Our youths are being hunted. Some are in prison. Some are killed by the Nigerian military. We cannot occupy certain positions in the country called Nigeria as an Igbo man. You are being discriminated in so many ways in Nigeria. And that is what Bello Babatunde continued to do by bringing an advertisement from a company that is making equipment, designing things for movies, and captioning that 22 Igbo men were hanged in Indonesia. And we are using this opportunity at Nkolomadum Wisdom University to call on our leaders, the leaders of the eastern region of Nigeria, to please provide constant electricity for our people, provide adequate security, adequate health care, adequate practical education, roads, promotion of our culture, and attract and build industries for our youth, for our people, so that our people will stop going out Because it is because our people are going out, migrating out of our land. And a lot of our people are in Indonesia, as they are across other regions of the world. That is why somebody like this Baba, Bello Babatunde, will come up with this type of thing. Because he's been dissatisfied. He's been envious. He's been hating our progress, the progress of the Igbo race across the world. So he wants to tarnish it. And therefore, that's why we are calling on leaders of the Eastern region to provide enabling environment for our people to strive in our land, to decrease migration, so that our people will stop to travel out of our land. It's very, very, very important. And then we are calling on all Igbos across the world to be proud of whom you are as an Igbo man. There's no amount of hatred, there's no amount of image tarnishing by people like Bello Babatunde that will stop us from our progress for prosperity across the world. Therefore, keep working hard wherever you are, making the right decisions to uplift the Igbo man. Love yourselves like you always do. Excel in your education, in your business, in sports, in planning and development, and all you do, try to be the best as usual. Because that is the driving force. That is what is making us to strive. Be proud of whom you are. Don't let the roadblocks, don't let the people like Bello Babatunde that tarnish our images to stop you, because that's what he's trying to do. And before we continue, we have to ask you again to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Twitter and TikTok, like, comment, and share these lectures to get to everybody, all Africans across the world. And today, we are trying to debunk the video posted by Bello Babatunde saying that 22 Igbo men was hanged in Indonesia for drug trafficking, which Facebook fact-checked and discovered that is falsehood, is a lie to continue to damage the image of the Igbo race. And we are saying, wherever Bello Babatunde come from, we at Nkola Mahadum Wisdom University is saying, shame on him for fabricating that kind of video. And we want to let you know that the video he posted, according to Facebook, because Facebook did what they call keyframes. Facebook subjected the video, subjected the keyframes from the video to a Google image reverse search, which led them to a YouTube channel of Mecanismus. Mecanismus is a Spanish company that designs equipment and props for entertainment and cinematic purposes. That is for entertainment and movie purposes. And the statement from the company also says that it is to provide set of bodies in the bag in a horrifying, realistic addition to any haunted house or horror attraction. These life-size bagged corpses create a chilling atmosphere, perfect for scare mazes, ghost trains, and immersion horror experiences. These are things the company sells for movie, for those doing cinema, doing movie. This was what this Bello Babatunde brought to say that it was 22 Igbo men that was hanged in Indonesia. Since we got that news at Nkola Mahadum, we had been very, very unhappy. But we are now happy that Facebook fact check have shown that it was effort. And we want all Igbos to know that what Bello Babatunde exhibited in that wrong caption of that video to tarnish the image of the Igbo man is a deep hatred of the Igbo race by many people in Nigeria, where they don't even give us our rights. We are the most militarized zone in the world, with the attendant extortion of millions and millions of naira and humiliation of our people. We cannot even occupy certain positions in Nigeria. Our youths are haunted. Many are in prisons. Many are killed by the Nigerian security forces. And that's why we are calling on the leaders of the Eastern region, especially the Southeast, to provide 24-hour electricity, give us good governance, provide adequate security, healthcare, practical education, not theoretical, roads, promotion of our culture, establishment of industries, so that our youth will stop leaving the country like they are doing now, so that we can stay in our land, just like the people in the United States, they stay in their land. People in the United Kingdom, they stay in their land. People in Germany stay in their land. They only visit and come back, in most cases. People in China live in China. So we can stay in our land without migrating as we are right now doing. And then finally, we are asking every Igbo man to be proud of whom you are. Do not allow the hatred. Do not allow the caricature by people like Bello Babatunde to affect whatever you are doing. And we are encouraging you to keep working hard, making the right decisions for continuous upliftment of the Igbo race, both in academia, education, business, sports, planning, development, and whatever you are doing, try to be the best that nature have bestowed in you. Nature have bestowed in the Igbo man the genius of exceptionalism. And we are asking you to not stop. Continue pushing, no matter the hatred, no matter the caricature from people like Bello Babatunde. And with this, we shall be coming to the end of this lecture. But we want to tell you before we do that the Fulani herdsmen terrorists are in our land. You can see all the killings in Zamfara, in Kaduna, in Benue State, in Plateau State, in Enugu State, in Ebonyi State. They are coming down to our land. And therefore, we are asking you to stand up and defend yourself. Continue to drive away the Fulani herdsmen terrorists living in the bushes. We are talking about those living in the bushes out of our farmlands. That is what we need to concentrate on, so that we cannot be either Fulani, to avoid Fulanization and Islamization that is indirectly on the way. And with this, we shall be bringing today's lecture to an end. Please, thank you very much for joining us today, and have a very, very good time. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Like our lectures, comment, and share to reach to everybody. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.